Warriors, meet the MQ-9 Reaper, the hunter-killer drone that redefined modern warfare. Capable of flying for over 24 hours, striking with surgical precision, and eliminating targets without risking pilots, it has become one of the most feared weapons in the US arsenal. Stay to the end as we uncover how this machine dominates the battlefield from above, unseen and unstoppable. The MQ-9 Reaper is powered by a Honeywell TPE33110 turboprop engine producing over 900 HP, allowing speeds above 300 mph and altitudes near 50,000 feet. Though modest in looks, it can stay aloft for up to 27 hours. This endurance is its deadliest weapon. The Reaper watches, tracks and strikes with surgical precision, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to engage. Light, sleek, and built from composite materials, the MQ-9 can be disassembled and airlifted in a C-130. Its long wings provide stability and fuel efficiency, while the upturned tail fins set it apart from the earlier Predator. The design is purely functional, able to take off and land on short runways while maintaining a level of simplicity and reliability rare in combat aircraft.
main board. Try that a little bit. Coming down. Right there. Yep. Need a ladder. Are we this one? We might. Back. A little more. More. Stop.
The Reaper carries up to 3,750 pounds of weapons on its external hardpoints. It can fire AGM-114 Hellfires at armored targets and drop GBU-12 or JDAM guided bombs for precision strikes. Its targeting system blends day TV, infrared sensors, and a laser designator, turning surveillance into immediate action. A true hunter-killer that eliminates threats before they even know it's there.
There's a total of 2 cameras. All the work he dabbed over that side.
Usually there's kind of standing awkwardly in between the seats and like having like an announcement.
Oh, yeah.
That's just a
Okay. Are any of them? It's not for US.
The MQ-9 is a direct evolution of the Predator, featuring greater power, a larger frame, and a clear focus on offensive missions. Also known as the Predator B, it paved the way for future designs like the jet-powered Stealthy Avenger. Each version marks a shift from quiet reconnaissance drones to autonomous high-precision combat machines that redefine modern warfare.
No weapons, we're not inventory. Yeah. Obviously single.
Okay, perfect. And then the configuration is about start.
Check the forms. You check the forms on the side. We don't have.
VR's software version verify.
Okay.
Control panel, go down there, do the normal checks.
Yeah, and I'll upgrade all agencies.
Got
The
it.
end of the wing and I'm going to move the
Forward, yeah. And with these kilo above ground personnel clear, they're cleared.
So temperature power, they're different for drum or something like that. It'll be different. So set check, so we need to get the barometric altimeter, so we're going to have to check 80 of this.
Flight at 350. Altimeter 299.
West with information Sierra.
204, depart from Syracuse at 5. Copy, push your up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, gear up, 95.
That's when they'll have everything towed out, and you'll get to see like.
This road, you want your sword.
The MQ-9 serves primarily with the U.S. Air Force, but also operates with the UK, Italy, France, and Spain. Each country tailors its fleet for combat, reconnaissance, or border patrol. The Reaper has become an icon of modern warfare, silent, persistent, and nearly unstoppable in its mission to dominate the skies without ever being seen.
It'll be the last song for me, that's for sure.
Hey, at least I've mastered it, though.
Just make sure that the box is good before you.
Cast iron.
More than a surveillance drone, the Reaper is a true multi-role platform. It performs reconnaissance, precision strikes, and long-range surveillance, sending real-time intelligence from thousands of miles away. Its constant presence reshapes modern warfare, an invisible sentinel that watches, decides, and strikes without putting a single pilot at risk. Mission complete, warriors. The Reaper proved why it's the invisible eye and the iron fist of the modern sky. Reload the arsenal. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tactical operations. Every week we bring you the machines, weapons, and strategies shaping 21st century warfare. Comment which technology you want to see next. The Colossus never sleeps.